Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an introduction to machine learning for beginners. If you've ever wondered how AI systems recognize patterns, make predictions, or automate tasks, this video is for you. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. It's used in recommendation systems, fraud detection, self-driving cars, and much more. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. The model learns from labeled data, meaning each input has a known correct output. Examples: spam filters, image recognition, and stock price prediction. 2. Unsupervised learning. The model identifies patterns in data without labeled answers. Examples: customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and clustering. 3. Reinforcement learning. The model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. Examples: game-playing AI, robotics, and automated trading systems. How to get started with machine learning. Learn programming languages like Python and libraries such as TensorFlow and scikit-learn. Work with datasets to understand data preprocessing and feature engineering. Build simple models and gradually explore advanced topics like deep learning and neural networks. Why machine learning matters. From personalized recommendations to advanced automation, machine learning is shaping the future of technology. Whether you're a student, developer, or business professional, understanding its fundamentals can be a game changer. Have you explored machine learning before? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.